You are making at least 3 of these mistakes every single day, and nobody has corrected you. Let's fix that right now. Or mistake 1. I agree, saying I agree. In English, agree is already a verb. You don't need am. Just say, I agree with you. Simple fix, huge impact. Mistake 2. Discuss about or discuss already means talk about. So adding about is repeating yourself. Just say, let's discuss this. Mistake 3. He explained me. He explained to me. He explained me the problem. This one is everywhere. The correct form is, he explained the problem to me. Explain needs to before the person. Mistake 4. Since 3 years. For 3 years. I am living here since 3 years. Use for with a duration of time and since with a starting point. So I've been living here for 3 years. Or I've been living here since 2023. Mistake 5. Open the light. Turn on the light. Open the light. Or close the light. In English, we don't open or close electricity. We say turn on and turn off. Turn on the light, please. Mistake 6. I'm boring. I'm bored. This one can be embarrassing. I'm boring means you are a boring person. What you probably mean is I'm bored, meaning you feel bored. Same rule for interesting versus interested, exciting versus excited. Mistake 7. Where is you from? Where are you from? Many beginners say, where is you from? Because they know the word is, but they forget that you always goes with are. If the sentence has you, use are every time. Mistake 8. More, better. Better. This is more better. Better is already. A comparative, you never add more in front of it. Just say, this is better. Mistake 9. I have 25 years. I am 25 years old. I have 25 years. In English, we don't have an age. We are an age. I'm 25 years old. Mistake 10. Make a photo. Take a photo. Can you make a photo of me? In English, we take a photo, not make photo. Can you take a photo of me? Please? Mistake 11. I'm here since morning. I've been here since morning. I'm here since morning. When an action started in the past and continues now, use present perfect continuous. I've been here since morning, not the simple present. Mistake 12. Can you borrow me your pen? Can I borrow your pen? Can you borrow me your pen? Borrow means you take something. Lend means someone gives it to you. So just say, can I borrow your pen? Mistake 13. I didn't go. This is a very common mistake. The word did already shows that the action happened in the past. When you use did or didn't, the main verb must always stay in its base form, the first form of the verb. Go, base form. Went, past form. In mistake 14. He is married with her. He is married to her. He is married with her. The correct preposition is to, not with. He is married to her. Mistake 15. I am agree to come. I am happy to come / I agree to come mixes up two structures, agree to versus happy to. You can say I agree to come or I'm happy to come, but never I am agree to come. Remember, agree is a full verb on its own. If this video helped you catch mistakes you didn't even know you were making, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you in the next lesson.